Day 4 of opening our Christmas calendars.
You wanna start?
There you can go.
Okay. I already saw that my box was right here. Oh, can you guess?
It's a shower cap.
No.
Was I close?
Car wipes.
Luxury car wipes.
That's actually fantastic because we got a new car like 2 months ago.
Yeah, and it's at a service checkpoint today. Oh, this is actually the best one yet.
Yeah, but I love the first one.
Which one was the first one?
Go watch the first video and you'll know.
Oh!
You said what? Can you guess? Is it heavy?
The fuck? Oh, no way! Oh my gosh, this is definitely the best one I got so far. This is something I really need. When I'm sleeping, I need complete silence or like a fan, some sort, or something.
Or else he will get very annoyed with me every single time I
Yeah, but you
talk
have to
or
tell
read.
them why. It's
Yeah,
not
because
because
you
she
can-
snores. It's not, you may...
I don't snore.
No, you don't. But you make some... I don't even know how to explain it. Like you... When she sleeps, she makes sounds like this.
I think it's quite charming though. Or maybe you're just crazy and I'm not doing the sounds.
This is really good.
So what did you get?
Earplugs.